Hi everyone. So we are at Athlon by Aldar's construction site today. Right now, this is the construction site behind me. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि Athlon की construction चल रही है. This is based on wellness. Motionless wellness की थीम के ऊपर ये बनी हुई है community. This is right now sandwiched between Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Hamdan Al Nahyan Street, and also on the other side is E611, which is the Emirates Road. So this particular community is situated in Dubai Land. Dubai Land के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा master communities पे focus है. जितने भी tier 1 developers हैं, they have brought their master communities to this area. Just like Athlon by Aldar, there is Acres by Miras on the opposite side of it. After that, it's Athlon. And then right after Athlon, it's a very renowned community by Emaar, which is Arabian Ranches 3. That community is already launched, constructed, developed. Only 1 or 2 clusters are under construction right now. So some other day we'll go and we'll make a video on that community as well. But right now, when it comes to Athlon, as I said, Athlon is based on the wellness concept. Motion is wellness. There are multiple cycling tracks which are available in it. It's based on the wellness idea, and they want to promote the similar idea inside and outside community. And right behind me, you can also see there is a cycling track which is going to be connected to the main community as well. In this particular community, we do have villa options available, and there are villas, there are mansions available, and then at the same time we do have an inventory for apartments also. So there is 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments which are available in this community. What is the good part? So the good part is that prices are very justified. It's not expensive at all. At the same time, someone who has a lower price point and they want to enter such a developed community like this by Aldar, they can also buy an apartment over here starting from 1.5 to 1.6 million dirhams and enjoy exactly similar lifestyle, exactly similar perks which they can with any other good master community. Okay. Other than the fact, there is a metro line which is going to come very near to this. The metro station is going to be right beside this community on the highway, which is going to serve Athlon and Arabian Ranches 3. So that's another plus point in the new metro line plan. बहुत सारे हमारे clients का question होता है on the location part of it. So the connectivity is really good. There is a highway, and through that highway it brings you directly to this community. Plus it is 32 minutes from downtown Dubai, 25 minutes from the Dubai International Airport, and 20 minutes from Mall of Emirates. I was coming from Mall of Emirates side today, and it literally took me 18 minutes while I reached there. And when we talk about the amenities, so this particular community is loaded with amenities, and it has a comprehensive range of amenities related to wellness. As I said, there are going to be 4 theme parks surrounding this central park, 10 kilometers of track, trail and loops for cycling, etc. There will be 7 club houses. A community school is also planned over here. And then of course, community swimming pools and gyms, which is a usual norm, along with the retail areas. So most of this community is already sold out. But if we still talk about the property options which people had over there, is 3 to 4 bedroom townhouses and 3 to 6 bedroom standalone villas as well. Right now we have inventory with 4, 5 and 6 bedroom villas over here. If any of one of you is interested, please do reach out to us. If you are one of the lot who is keen on physical wellness, extensive walking, interested in having extensive walks around the community, and you want to incorporate daily movement and wellness idea in your lifestyle, this community is for you.